gift in disguise. The world is calling, let's take a ride. No time to waste, let's step outside. We're dancing in the sunshine, spinning around, feet on fire as we own the ground. Hands up high where the clouds are found. Life's a beat, let's chase the sound. Streetlights fade, but the day begins. With every step we're reeling in winds. Colors burst as the laughter flies. This is our time, no need for goodbyes. We're dancing in the sunshine, spinning around, feet on fire as we own the ground. Hands up high where the clouds are found. Life's a beat, let's chase the sound. Feel the rhythm, let it set you free. Every heartbeat is a melody. This is our story. No rules, no bounds. In this moment we're lost and found. We're dancing in the sunshine, spinning around, feet on fire as we own the ground. Hands up high where the clouds are found. Life's a beat, let's chase the sound. Life's a beat, let's chase the sound. Feel the wind, it gently sways through the trees in quiet place. Every leaf in calm parade, fading thoughts in soft cascade. Whispers hum a soothing tune underneath the silver moon. Breathing slow in time with peace, every worry finds release. Close your eyes, let silence flow. Feel the world move soft and slow. Heartbeat syncs with nature's call. In the stillness, lose it all. Ripples dance across the lake. Dreams awaken as you wake. Clouds drift lazy, skies unfold. Stories written soft and bold. Let the calm embrace your mind. Leave the rush of life behind. Here's a place where time is still. Let it mend, let it heal. Close your